So far, we don't have any vaccine or any antiviral drug for COVID-19. While the search for them is on, a treatment called plasma therapy has received a lot of attention. But what is plasma therapy? And how does it work? When any harmful bacteria or a virus like SARS-CoV-2 enters our body tries to destroy it, thanks to our immune system. There are different kinds of warriors inside our body, and among them are the antibodies. Our body generates a specific antibody to fight a particular invader, like the antibody for COVID-19 will be different from the antibody for the Ebola virus. Being specific in nature, antibodies are very effective in fighting viruses like coronavirus. But our body takes time to release these antibodies, and hence the virus may get enough time to take over and spread itself more, and the person's health becomes worse. What if we take antibodies from the recovered patient whose body has already produced them to fight the virus and give it to an ill patient whose body is unable to do so in time? That's what plasma therapy is all about. It is an age-old method in which transfer of antibodies is done by the transfer of plasma. Plasma is a constituent of blood which accounts for 55% of the whole blood in our body. Rest 45% is made up of the red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, etc. The plasma is made up of water, salts, enzymes, proteins, and our savior, antibodies. If a COVID-19 recovered patient donates their plasma and it is transfused into a critically ill COVID-19 patient, the donated antibodies will start targeting and fighting the virus. Here is how it is done. The process of donating plasma is similar to blood donation, but in this method, plasma is extracted from the blood and the remaining cells are returned to the donor's body. The process of extracting plasma from the blood is known as plasmapheresis. The blood group of the donor is matched with the blood group of the receiver, and it is also checked that the plasma of the donor has a sufficient amount of antibodies in it. According to the research paper published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, a plasma therapy works when plasma is given in a sufficient amount. A donor can donate plasma even twice a week, unlike the proper blood donation, which is once in 3 months. A single donor can donate 400 ml of plasma at a time. 200 ml is sufficient to treat one COVID-19 patient. Hence, plasma donated by a single person who has recovered from COVID-19 can help 2 people to recover. But is plasma therapy better than a vaccine? Plasma therapy is a preventive measure and is used for critically ill patients only. It provides passive immunization, unlike vaccine. When a vaccine against a particular infection is given to a person, the immune system starts producing specific antibodies. These antibodies leave a memory in the cells to fight any future infection. On a later date, when the vaccinated person is infected by the actual germ or virus, the immune system neutralizes the infection by releasing the required antibodies. While the vaccine provides such lifelong immunity, the effect of plasma therapy lasts only till the antibodies ingested into the infected person remain in their bloodstream. Therefore, the protection given by the plasma therapy is only temporary. So plasma therapy does not seem to be a foolproof therapy, but nevertheless, it has helped in treating some of the critically ill COVID-19 patients across the globe. The plasma therapy was discovered by a German physiologist, Emil von Behring, in 1890. In 1901, he went on to become the first person to receive a Nobel Prize in the field of medicine.